This is my Mustang restoration. Today's project on this is to get it sanded down to the middle. We're going to start with the floorboards. And then after we get to that, we're just going to do the whole car. Leave the doors off of it. Do the fenders, quarter panels. We're going to get this car down to the bare metal. It's a mess right now in the garage because of all the stuff that's come off this car. You can tell we've got some stuff up there that goes inside the car because there's no room. There's this back seat. There's the other seat, the passenger seat. And the little panels that go right here on the back. There's so many things wrong with this car. This is just one update.